Been reading the comments on this video a little bit, and you guys can argue about the legal ramifications of this all day, but I think it's painfully obvious that what's really going on here is this damn regime is just doing anything they want to. If they want a law change, they just write another one. If they want to put people in jail for no reason, they just put people in jail for no reason. They can do anything they want, and they're doing it, and we're letting them do it. I mean, you can argue all you want, but it's pretty obvious when you look at all the things they've done and all the steps they've taken. They're just sort of rewriting the Constitution as they go, and assuming that the Supreme Court that they put into place is going to back them up on it. And, do you think you'll ever see George Bush or any of these guys spend a minute of time in a trial for war crimes, even if they do torture prisoners or do any of that stuff? They won't see a minute of time. They won't see a minute of time. And, history will look back on this period in history. The future will look back on this period of history, and we probably will be called fascists. This country probably will be seen as a fascist regime, and we better wake up. We better do something about it. We better go to the polls and vote. I mean, people are probably getting tired of hearing me harp on it, but that's the power we got. We got to get these guys out of office. Just get rid of them. And we can go undo the damage they did. We can go back and, with a little help from, a democratically controlled Congress, we can get some of these laws changed back. And it's pretty obvious the fear tactics will try to talk people into giving up all their rights. And some people are scared. You can't blame them for being scared with all the crap that's going on in this world right now, with all the between the nuclear threat and the bio threat and the terrorist threat. I agree with a lot of the guys that the terrorist threat doesn't seem to be affecting the United States all that much, other than in the news. Yeah, we had some pretty significant events, and we could certainly have more significant events, and it wouldn't surprise me if we did, because the government really hadn't done anything to prevent them. I mean, other than jumping over into Iraq and doing all this stuff and making a bunch of money for Halliburton and those guys. I mean, we have got to do something about this. Go to the polls. Let's make a change. Later.